Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. In case if you haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. A very happy Diwali to everyone. So today we'll see how to make home decor for Diwali. So we'll see how to make Diwali lantern and water candles. So let's see how to make these water candles. So let's get started. So for that we need oil, some marbles, candle wicks, dropper, shells, rose petals and a glass container. Then we'll start putting up all the decorative materials into the glass like shells, marbles, and here I have added magic balls which I have already soaked in water so they are swollen up. We'll make a layer of all decorative materials at the bottom of the glass. So you can add all the materials simultaneously. Then we will add water into the glass and then with the help of a dropper we'll take oil into it and through the walls we'll slowly make a thin layer of oil on the surface of water. Then we'll just put those wicks, allow it to float on the surface of oil, and then we'll just glow it. Then this is how it will look. You can also add different colors to the water, add rose petals to it, and this is how they will look. So now we will see how to make Diwali lanterns. So let's see what do we need. We need newspaper sheets, fevicol, wool and balloon. Then we'll blow the balloon into a large size. Then we'll tear newspaper sheet and make fevicol and water mixture. Then we'll take newspaper sheet, dip it into the fevicol and water mixture and stick it all over the balloon. We'll make 2 to 3 layers so it will be more thick. We'll continue the whole process. Then after wrapping off, it will just look like this. Then we'll start wrapping off the wool around the balloon. So with the help of fevicol, we'll just keep rotating the wool all over the balloon. The whole balloon should be covered with the wool. You can also add other decorative material like lace. So then after wrapping off, it will just look like this. Here I have different colors to look more vibrant, and then just burst it and tie some hangings at the top so it will be easy to hang, and this is how it will look. You can also follow us on Instagram by the same name, Glittery Vibes. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. Until then, stay tuned and keep glittering.